Lots of people are using their electric toothbrushes wrong. Let's make sure that's not you. Hi, my name is Whitney and I'm a dental hygienist here to talk about brushing your teeth with an electric toothbrush. And before we get started, make sure to get my free oral care guide. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to join thousands who have already discovered all of the essential components for an effective oral hygiene routine. This guide is an action plan for preventing and maintaining a happier and healthier smile. I made it just for you, for it can help you confirm that you are in fact brushing, flossing, doing all of your dental home care habits correctly. And having said that, for today's video, let's talk about brushing with an electric toothbrush. So first things first, let me tell you what not to do. You're not going to scrub back and forth. Really, whether you're using an electric toothbrush or a regular manual toothbrush, you should never scrub brush. Always use gentle motions. But in the case of electric toothbrushes, you want to barely use any motions. You really want to let the electric toothbrush do the work for you. So you guide it along your gum line, and like I said, keep in mind that the goal with electric toothbrushes is to let them do the work for you. Also, the harder the better with brushing is not true. So keeping all of that in mind, with a gentle, soft grip, making sure that the brush is touching both the tooth and the gum line. And then you just follow along your gum line on all the fronts, backs, and tops of your teeth. It's also a good idea to angle it slightly toward the gum line. So on the top teeth, angle it up a little, and on the bottom teeth, angle it down a little. Now, most electric toothbrushes have some kind of built-in timer. It either beeps or pulses in some type of time increment. Always refer to the brushing instructions that came with your electric toothbrush for exact details on how yours works. But for this one I'm using, it pauses every 30 seconds. So since you should be brushing for 2 full minutes each time for your entire mouth, you will do 30 seconds and 30 seconds on the top and 30 seconds and 30 seconds on the bottom. I personally like to start on the top right, so I do all of the outsides of the teeth and then all of the insides and then the chewing surfaces. Again, I'm just slowly guiding the brush head slowly from tooth to tooth, following the curve of the teeth and gums. Once it pauses, I move to the next quadrant or next section of the mouth, the top left now for me, and do the same thing all over again. And don't forget to allow the electric toothbrush to do the work for you. I know I keep saying it, but it really is important to hold the brush head in place for a few seconds before moving on to the next tooth, and always apply gentle pressure. I can't stress enough how important it is to not press super hard and scrub brush. Be gentle, the brush is doing the work for you. When people are using an electric toothbrush like a manual toothbrush, it's no good. You're on your way to hurting your gums, so please just let it do the work for you. Then after brushing all of the upper teeth, next I'll brush the lower teeth, 30 seconds on the lower left and 30 seconds on the lower right, totaling a full 2-minute brushing session. Also, lots of people ask me about the differences between the circle heads and the regular heads. It's really just preference. Use whichever one you like more. And if you don't know which one you will like more, I do have a video all about the pros and cons of each to help you decide. I'll of course link that video of mine below. And after you're done with your 2-minute brushing session, don't forget to use a tongue scraper to clean your tongue and clean between your teeth with traditional string floss and or a floss pick and or a water flosser or an interdental aid. I have demonstration videos on all 4 ways to clean between your teeth, which I will of course include all of them in the description as well if you want to learn more. And if you're interested in creating the perfect oral routine to prevent major dental issues such as cavities and gum disease and costly dental visits, make sure to click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to sign up for my free oral care guide and join thousands who have already discovered all of the essentials for an effective oral hygiene routine and made brushing part of their self-care regimen, as opposed to it being a chore. This guide is an action plan for preventing and maintaining a happier and healthier smile, so be sure to check it out. And I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if it did. And if you want even more teeth talk, you can visit my website, teethtalkgirl.com, and hang out with me on Instagram, @teethtalkgirl. Peace, love, and teeth.